Executives of Atmis, we at Axe Consulting are excited to present to you our proposal for a sustainable international business strategy for Atmis. To formulate strategic initiatives, our consultants have conducted robust analysis such as Value Chain, Porter's 5, and Pestle to decipher the internal and external environment of Atmis.
In terms of internal environment, Atmos's biggest strength lies in its products. It is the only air purifier company to have nanopure technology which can remove higher percentages of allergens. Its purifiers have long-lasting filters and can purify larger areas than its competitors. In addition, Atmos has first-mover advantage in the area of the Internet of Things and smart control. As for its weaknesses, Atmos is currently positioned as a luxury high-end air purifier and therefore has a small market share. It has weak distribution, limited manufacturing capabilities, and less R&D resources compared to its competitors such as 3M and Honeywell. In addition, its geographically dispersed employees presented a challenge for efficient collaboration between departments. That being said, there are numerous external opportunities that Atmos can utilize. Due to increasing levels of air pollution, there is a heightened awareness and need for air purifiers. In addition to being increasingly tech-savvy, consumers, especially the rising middle class in emerging economies, are growing in acceptance and willingness to pay for quality air purifiers. However, Atmos's biggest threat is that there are cheaper alternatives that are being mass-produced by competitors, especially those abroad. Combined with rising geopolitical tensions, this is a challenge for Atmos going forward as a multinational company.
ACTS Consulting proposes strategic changes and initiatives across different parts of the value chain. Starting with operations, we propose two major strategic initiatives for Atmis to deal with the ongoing issues in China and India. Atmis needs to rebrand itself in China, and the best way would be to create a local, independent subsidiary which would meet the criteria of a young and homegrown entity. Additionally, our analyses show that India has a high potential market with its poor air quality, growing health conscious, and tech savvy population. Therefore, we suggest aggressively expanding Atmis' customer base in India. Within manufacturing, we propose setting up an additional manufacturing base in India. This would not only help us to take advantage of the Boreas team in India and set up a robust IoT center, but also to cater to the expanding Indian consumer market. Favorable policies and low cost of setting up and operating are some of the key drivers. We understand that Brexit does not have a significant impact on the overall sales of Atmis. Atmis mainly focuses on consumer products, of which 61% sales are from Atmis Bliss, a product range that does not include the advanced parts manufactured in UK. Hence, the best next step would be to sponsor visas for non-UK workers. However, in the long run, we propose slowly transferring the UK base to India to cut costs. Moving on to the technology and R&D division, it's highly important for Atmis to patent its nanopure proprietary technology. Additionally, the next major step has to be to invest in further sophisticated and state-of-the-art R&D, including portable purifiers and car air purifiers. Atmis differentiates itself as a premium product with a highly sophisticated air purification technology, hence marketing is one of the most important tools for its success. The NanoPure technology, its smart control, and IoT-enabled functionalities need to be promoted and emphasized heavily in its marketing campaigns. Further, we suggest marketing Atmis not only as a healthcare product, but also as a baby care product, thereby designing campaigns and targeting retail channels accordingly. Another scheme would be to offer EMI or installment payment options to capture low-income segments of the market. To increase brand awareness, offering word of mouth referral programs, especially in countries like India, would be a great tactic.
This imminent importance matrix summarizes the strategic initiatives that we have proposed. We believe it is crucial that we act now to sponsor work visas in the UK to combat staffing shortfalls, as well as rebrand Atmis in China and also a new marketing campaign to avoid losing market share. In the future, we plan to target and set a manufacturing base in India, slowly transfer a UK base to minimize costs, as well as further R&D and new product development to ensure that Atmis's competitive advantage can be sustained over time. We thank you for your attention. We look forward to collaborating with Atmis.